Hello all. The general training module. The general training reading module takes 60 minutes. There are 40 questions and each one is worth of 1 mark. The reading passages. The reading passages are each text being harder than the one before. You get 3 sections. In contrast to the academic reading, texts are taken from advertisement, notices, booklets, official documents, leaflets, newspapers, timetables, instruction manuals, books and magazines. They are all authentic. These are the texts that you are likely to have to deal with daily in an English-speaking country. So section 1 in your reading contains 2 to 3 short factual texts with topics that will be relevant to your everyday life when you live abroad in an English environment. Section 2, there are 2 factual texts and they focus on issues related to work such as applying for a job, pay and conditions, staff training and development and company policies. And last section 3, the text in this section is longer and more difficult. It is a text on a topic of general interest. So the questions of these 3 sections are short answer questions, multiple choice, sentence completion, make notes, summary, diagram, flowchart, table completion, choosing a heading for a paragraph, identification of writer's views, claims, that is as, no or not given, identification of information, classification, matching, list or phrases. Thank you.